Hello guys, my name is Arkishin, and now guys I'm going to show you how can you let's just say create a shortcut for my computer. You have to click aside and go to personalize. After that you go to themes and you scroll down and you go to desktop icons settings. You press this, you can see my computer right over here. You select computer, then apply or maybe OK, and after that look, my computer is right over here. This is the first tutorial on the channel guys. I hope you enjoy it and I hope it was helpful. Well, I was Sarkishin. Until next time guys, bye bye.